What is the advantage of a flexible solar panel over a rigid solar panel or a foldable solar panel? Well, let me tell you the difference real quick. The old style rigid solar panels that maybe come in a metal frame, those are great for mounting on top of a house or in somewhat of a permanent type structure. So if you're setting up a solar farm in your backyard or mounting something to your house, those things are great. They come in a metal frame, they're easy to mount, and you are done with your installation. Now, if you are going camping or doing something like that, they have those foldable ones. They fold out into different panels, and I own a couple of those as well. Those work okay. Now, I live in the south where it's very windy, and they are not very heavy, so they blow around, they blow over all the time. And then you have to, it really depends on if you want to get out and set them up every time and fold them back up. Now, the flexible solar panels, the real advantage to those, two things. Number one, they are super, super light. You could get a 200-watt solar panel like this Renogy, which I own, and mount it to the roof of a vehicle. That's what I've done. I use the Eternabond tape. There's different ways of doing it. They also have these little eyelets on the side. You can mount it with Velcro to something, but they're super light. These panels weigh about 7 pounds, so you can put them on the roof of your car, your van, an RV, a trailer, camper, anything like that, and it's no problem at all. But the other thing is, again, they are flexible. So I'm sure you know, if you've ever been on top of the roof of a vehicle or looked at it, it is not a flat surface. It is curved, and so that is the real advantage of these flexible solar panels. I think the picture in the ad shows it bent in almost a 180-degree circle. I don't know that I would recommend that, but easily bend at 90 degrees or more, and it's perfect for mounting on top of a vehicle, on top of an RV, anything like that that's not perfectly flat. Even if it is flat, I prefer these because they're so light and easy to move around. You can position them wherever you want before you install them. But yeah, I have two of these connected together on the roof of my van, and they work absolutely great. And that flex allows you to curve, install it over the curvature of the top of your vehicle. Works really good. So as far as the three goes, if you're putting it on top of a camper, RV, on your roof of something like that, I highly recommend getting the flexible type of solar panel.